Eto na mga boss, VanSwap. Guys, kung excited ka dito dahil napakalupit nito guys, private sales open now. And kung di nyo alam, merong Vision din dito. Yun yung high performance public chain built for metaverse guys. Kung excited kang malaman to, let's go! Kung sa Chrome gagamitin niyo, add to Chrome nyo lang yan guys. Very easy to do, easy access guys, and you can already access it in your Chrome extension. Ayan na mga boss. So you just have to create your password and repeat your password mga boss. Okay? After nyo ma-confirm yung seed phrase, yan yung lilitaw guys. You can already transfer, okay? And a lot of things. And I will explain more later guys for you to be aware about it. So yan na nga mga boss, no? May Vision Scan ID, wallet status, makita mo dyan, safe and reliable. So panoorin natin trailer guys. VMC Vision Metaverse Chain. So Vision Metaverse, no? So medyo mabagal ang net natin, no? Vision Metaverse guys. Pero as you can see, it's built on Vision. And makita rin natin yung docs nyan, no mga boss, para aware kayo. Pero pwede ka mag-stake din dito ng VS. So mamimigay tayo guys, we will give away. So guys, kung titingnan nyo dito, self-developed metaverse engine to, no? So meron din VanSwap na parang pancake swap, pero pwede siyang DeFi at NFT pinagsama guys. So pwede ka mag-stake dito. Merong Web3 open world guys, and grabe, binibreak niya yung boundary, no, sa virtual reality saka sa open world ng 3.0, no, Web 3.0. So may trade, earn Van, pwede kang mag-stake, mint NFT, Launchpad governance referral, napakalupit guys. Ayun yung pagkaka-distribute niya. So pwede kang mag-farm, may pool, DAO, ayan guys. And token plus NFT model to. VanSwap is the leading decentralized exchange on the Vision network guys. There has been a huge growth. It will provide slippage free and efficient transactions for all Vision chain, okay, users, and bring sustainable future. Grabe guys, kung titignan nyo, ayan yung marketing ground, roadmap, ayan yung derivatives, and of course project Launchpad. So yan yung mga partners nila. So, of course Vision. Wala ka pang wallet guys, make sure you already create wallet, okay? So this is a sample of my Vision network wallet. It's very easy to set up, okay? You can even change the currency here, whichever you like, and you can log out of account anytime you want, and you just log in back with your password. Alright? So very easy guys. And kung titingnan nyo dito, may trade nya. You can trade as I showed you a while ago using VS. There's the IDO whitelist pool guys. Van, make sure you stay updated, no? So ayan yung mga FAQ guys. And of course you can get as well, no, refer and earn guys. Basta nag-stake yung ni-refer mo, kikita ka dito guys, no? Sobrang big deal nito. So yun yung info, liquidity. Ayan, top pairs. Titignan nyo, Vision USDT ang number 1 top token guys. So very big factor to consider din dito. And makikita nyo dito yung mga pairs na liquidity, volume. Ayan guys, no, wait lang. Merong bridge, no? So very big deal tong bridge network na to, no? So pwede ka mag-bridge guys. I-connect mo yung MetaMask mo or kung ano man wallet na meron ka na available dito, no? And make sure meron kang bridge fee network. So kung hindi mo pa alam paano mag-create ng mainnet sa MetaMask mo, kasi dapat Vision mainnet ka. So hindi smart chain, ha? So Vision mainnet, ayan. So guys, make sure you use Vision mainnet, and I will also tell you how. Ngayon sa Bridge V network naman, pwede ka mag-receive ng Vision mainnet from BSC mainnet. So siyempre BSC galing, i-switch network natin. Pero kung Vision mainnet, kailangan mong import sa MetaMask. So tinuro ko na yan guys. Panoorin nyo lahat ng video ko sa VanSwap, and napakadali nyo guys. Okay? So input mo lang, very easy to do. So guys, ano pa ba yung pwedeng gawin dito? Siyempre meron din staking dito, no? And ipapakita ko yan mamaya, no? But before that guys, meron Telegram group, tvision t.me
Okay, Vision social media. So okay, may guessing rewards pa. Ayan guys, no, i-retweet ko yan, sali kayo. And of course may mga rules din. Okay, so check nyo yan guys. Okay, may mga AMAs din sila. And of course guys, another thing to consider is Vision Metaverse, no? So V Network. So ito talaga yung pinaka-priority guys, no? Kasi itong Vision Metaverse, dito ka pwede mag-staking, no? So pwede ka mag-stake, build on Vision pa, pwede ka mag-stake ng VS mo. So ayan, pwede ka mag-earn na rewards. Imagine mo guys, gagamitin mo lang yung ano mo, no? Gagamit ka lang ng VS token, ilalapag mo lang, para siyang time deposit na nagko-compound, no? So very big deal. Ayan, ang lakas ng APY. So pwede ka rin mag-vote dito ng pledge, no? Parang ano to, budget voting to earn guys, no? So ang lupit guys, no? Ang dami pwedeng gawin dito. Pwede ka mag-pledge nga, pwede ka mag-stake. Ayan, so connect mo lang yung wallet mo. Ayan sa upper right, pwede Vision wallet. Okay, pwede rin MetaMask wallet. Ngayon, kailangan kung V times wallet ka, mag-register. Okay, so ayan, so naka-login ka na, you can check everything. Pwede ka mag-apply to be an FV, lagay mo lang yung ano mo, no, yung address mo. Pero basically pwede kang maging first validator dito. Pwede kang mag-bridge, pwede kang mag-track ng token, mag-transfer, lahat guys nagagawa mo. So kung nga rin nag-stake ka, no, for example, nag-stake ka ng 50,000, 53,000, no, tapos lalak mo siya 60 days lang, gusto mo 2 months lang, no, hindi natin 62 days, yan, 61. So 48% yung 53,000 mo yung reward for 3 VS guys. Ang laki. So kung titingnan natin, magkano ba yun mga boss, no? Yung token natin ngayon, lipin natin guys, no? So kailangan naka mainnet yan. Okay, kasi hindi gagana yan kapag hindi naka mainnet Vision, no? So tinuro ko na yan guys, no? Vision mainnet. Ayan, so ito kasi kaya nakag-bridge, kaya bumabalik siya sa smart chain dahil pwede i-bridge, no? But anyway, 109 pwedeng maging $187 guys. Sobrang laki. So 109 lang yan, what more yung 4,000, no? So ang daming potential nito guys, ang daming giveaways, ang daming ecosystem. Review natin yung light paper nila, no, para may idea din kayo about sa other things, no. Pero basically guys, pwede ka mag-stake dito, pwede ka mag-farm, no, and detailed pa yung distribution, no. Saka makita ng ganitong app na detailed, no. Titignan mo, multi-hash system. So medyo komplikado siya kung isipin mo, pero ang dali lang niya kasi to the point na kailangan mo lang ng V Network, install mo lang to, itong V Wallet, VanSwap. Yung VanSwap, pwede ka mag-swap, mag-trade ng nakuha mo VS sa ibang networks, pwede ka mag-bridge. Tapos itong wallet na to, ano bang ginagawa niyan? Dito ka pwede mag-transfer and i-connect mo sa V Network para mag-stake ka. Okay? So paano ba mag-yield na farm dito guys? Okay, ayan. So may guide tayo, no, paano mag-yield na farm, no, para makapag-participate tayo, no. So please note muna na providing LP and yield farming are highly risky. So nasa inyo pa rin yan, do your own research, pero for me it's good, no, kasi pwede kang kumita guys, no. And kung titignan nyo dito paano mag-join sa liquidity pool, ayan, 4 steps. Provide liquidity to the liquidity pools, okay, VLP token, stake, harvest to claim your rewards, and unstake. So punta ka muna dyan sa VanSwap. Ayan na guys, no, may pool dito. Mag-add ka lang ng liquidity, no guys. So let's say 10, no. So pwede ka mag-add ng currency. So USDT, hindi mag-Van. So pwedeng VS and Van, no, optional yan. Pwede rin VS and USDT. So kailangan meron ka pareho nito, no. So ang suggestion ko, mag-trade muna kayo, no, so VS, tapos gawin mo USDT, and you'll earn 0.3% of all trades on this pair. So grabe guys, nakita mo yun. So ang gawin natin, mag-trade muna tayo ng konti, at least 150 or 160, sige, swap natin, no, and ayan na. So yan guys, nakapag-earn na tayo, and we can put 5. Ayan. Here guys. 5 USDT or 1, 2, 3. Kahit ano guys, pwede. So, kuwari, 1 lang, no? Sampulan lang natin guys. Para makita ninyo. Ayan, supply. So, yan yung full token. Confirm supply. Grabe guys, ang daming pwede mangyari dito. Ngayon, ang option nyo pa, pwede nyo sagarin yan, no? Pwede nyo gawin, for example, you want to maximize it, 26, nasa inyo yan. Okay, max nyo. O, gawin nyo 5, no? 5 USDT, supply ka lang dyan. And you confirm it. It's very easy. So, whatever you do, okay, that's about it. It's very easy to do. And you can also swap here. So, it's your choice, no? To swap, pero guys, napakadali lang. So, sa may liquidity ka, pwede mong i-gamitin, no? And mag-yield yan. And pwede mong unstake and stake din, no? So, napakadali guys, no? So, yung pair na gusto mo, ayan siya. Okay, inject sa pool and need advance. Supply mo lang. Okay. Ayan, no? These are known advanced swap. So, choosing liquidity pool is on your own research pa rin, no? And pwede ka rin mag-stake dito. Para meron ka na VLP tokens. Head to the farm page and you can see there are 2 types of farm pool, fixed and flexible. Select the farm you want to join guys, no? So your VLP token will be displayed on the stake field and pwede ka nga mag-reduce ng liquidity kasi nga nagano tayo kanina, no? Pwede ka rin mag-harvest. And para mag-stake ka, okay, punta ka na sa click LP. Ayan na. Tapos pwede mo na unstake yung token guys. So very easy siya, no? So napakadali nitong ginagamit na to. Okay, so yan na siya, pulled, no? Pulled USDT 5, pulled VS 2.9. so pwede mo share yung pool. Okay, and matic na yan mga boss, no? So automatic na minus na sa atin, no? And pwede mo rin adjust yung slippage dito guys. So, very big deal to consider din yan guys, no? Yung slippage especially. So, kung gusto nyo to guys, nag-enjoy kayo, and sa tingin nyo may potential, mag-refer na rin kayo, no? Sayang naman, no? Mag-refer kayo sa mga kilala nyo. Gamitin nyo yung refer link sa baba. Kita ka higher in terms of the people, no? The community. So, kung titingnan nyo yung V-Network dito, ayun yung mga white paper nila. Meron din white paper tong V-Network na to kasi metaverse chain nga to na pwede ka mag-stake, no? Vision scan, ayan. So, and bukod sa staking dito guys, pwedeng mag-earn ka rin ng rewards, no? Ayan, staking rewards by pledging na sinabi ko kanina. So, make sure guys, ayan, no? Mamili ka lang dyan, status normal, okay? So, PD ka dyan. And pwede ka na mag-vote, no? Basta mag-apply ka lang, no? So, optional din yan. Pero mas maganda talaga mag-stake ka, no? Para mag-earn ka ng rewards. So, meron din node dito, no? Validator nodes that you can check. Okay. So, ayan na guys. Very easy to check. And, once gusto mo mag-swap din, no? Balik mo sa Binance mo. Tuturo ko na rin mga boss. Nandito na tayo, eh. So, for example, okay. Swap natin. Okay. Tira tayo ng 1, no? So, 10.7 sabihin natin ay 11.7. Set nyo lang. So, pwede nyo rin i-react itong mga to sa sa Binance nyo, USDT. So, add mo lang sa MetaMask mo tong network na yan. So guys, ayan siya. Very easy to do guys, no? So you can see, nandito na siya and pwede mo siyang ilipat sa MetaMask, no? So ilagay mo din yung MetaMask address mo and automatically lipat na yan guys sa MetaMask mo ay sa Binance, no? Sa Binance address mo. Okay? So guys, that's it, no? It's very easy to do, very easy to use. There's the pool. You can stake and stake. The liquidity as well. You can add more liquidity if you want. Okay, and there's the IDO that you can join right now. Okay, how can you participate? Ayan na guys, no? Very detailed. So automatic dilito sa wallet after 1 week, no? And so you can see it's very easy to understand naman mga boss, no? Medyo complicated lang yung terms niya pero madali lang siyang intindihan. And kung titingnan nyo dito, pwede kang mag-swap, no? Pwede kang mag-pair nga. Ayan, yung mga pair, no? So WBS, and pwede kang mag-trade din, no? So optional yan, no? Kung gusto mag-trade ng token nila. Of course, the decision is still up to you, and make sure you review everything here, guys, before you trade, okay? So maganda mag-review muna kayo, mag-Dior muna kayo bago kayo mag-trade dito. So makita nyo rin dito meron tools, guys, no? And makita nyo dito yung V-Times wallet nga na sinasabi ko. So kung wala pa kayo, explore nyo yung wallet and make sure you access V-Times, guys, no? Kasi nakakatulong talaga to. Install nyo lang, okay? In-install ko na pero pwede rin siya sa iOS and Android. Scan nyo lang to download. And ito yung gagamitin yung wallet pang stake. Ayan, no? Parang ganyan, VRX, yung mga nasa Vision wallet, no? So pwede mong ilapag dyan. And sayang din kasi, guys, kung meron kang wallet nila, magagamit mo lahat ng mga to. So may Vision Scan din, no? Pwede mong tingnan nga yung Vision Explorer, VanSwap, Vision Bridge, dito nag-bridge ng ano. And of course merong din Vision Stake, guys, no? So I already explained it, guys. Make sure you check everything, no? You stay updated, what is VS, what is Vision Stake, okay, and how you vote, no? How you stake and everything I already told you, guys. And make sure you stay updated, no? So meron din Vision Blockchain Explorer dito, guys. Pakalupit ko. All in tong ano na to, no? Meron din palang bridge dito, nandito na yan. Kanina tinignan natin. So far so good, guys. Of course, cancel this, di naman tayo mag-bridge. But if you're planning to bridge, make sure you on that, no? Pero titingnan nyo, meron developers dito, technical papers, kung may katanungan kayo, documentation, ecosystem, ayan na lahat, guys, no? So everything is here. Okay, the launchpad, the papers, and we should follow them on social medias, no? Twitter, Discord, LinkedIn, guys. I will link them all on the description below. Let's make their community bigger, let's make them wider. Okay, so ililink ko lahat yan. Twitter, sige, join kayo, guys, no? Ayan, Vision Global Group, make sure you join. Discord nila, join na rin tayo, accept invite and everything. So you stay updated, mga boss, no? So of course the Twitter itself, ayan na. So may giveaways din sila, guys. Grabe, 11 VS, no? So very big deal din to. Don't forget to join, no? This is Danjo, the Capital Master, #1 NFT coach in the world. You can yield farm, okay? Grabe, lupit nito, multi-chain pa. So ingat kayo, mga boss. Have a nice day. This is Vision Chain Review. Stay updated din, mga boss, no? Meron tayong 2 channel, no? Huwag nyo kalimutan mag-subscribe. Yung unang channel ko, Danjo Capital Master. Yung pangalawa, NFT Master, guys. Yung pangalawang channel ko, doon ako nagpo-post ng mga videos, ng mga vlogs, no? Na MMA, yung mga laban ko, no? Na tournaments, gunfiring, ayan. Yung mga travel ko, nandun, no? So support kayo doon, guys, no? Kung gusto nyo makita yung personal life ko. At same time, mga boss, may mga giveaways din ako doon para sa inyo, no? So huwag kayong mag-alala. And mga boss, yung hindi pa pala sumali sa program natin, danjocapitalmaster.com, pwede na kayo sumama, mga boss. Ang dami na natin natulungan, dami na natin napatunayan, naging milyonaryo na yung mga tinulungan natin. 10,000 lang invest nyo, guys, no? 10,000 lang, pwede na kayong punta sa danjocapitalmaster.com. Ayan na, guys, pwede na kayong kumita na malaki sa NFT flipping, no? Tuturo ko lahat, basics to advanced, and lahat ng kailangan nyo malaman sa NFT, no? Ituturo ko. So guys, join Vision Meta Chain, V Network, VanSwap. Okay, open the Metaverse experience. Pwede na kayo mag-stake. Pwede nyo try yung ginagawa ko. Gawa kayo na account. Okay, mag-stake kayo ng VS, no? So that's it, guys. This is Danjo, the Capital Master. You should always do your own research, but so far so good. VanSwap is the best. V Network is the best. #1 NFT Master is the world. Okay, mag-Dior muna kayo. Nasa inyo pa rin ang desisyon, pero so far so good. Yun yung review ko. Mag-subscribe ka na, boss. Like, subscribe, guys. Dito tayo sa Singapore before nasa Dubai tayo. And salamat sa suporta sa mga nag-update sa vlogs natin. Dahil sa inyo, marami na tayong scholars, marami na tayong natulungan. And guys, this is the life, NFT flipping. Check nyo yung program ko, nasa description na. 200 plus students na tayo. Dami na natin natulungan, naging milyonaryo. It's time for you to be the next, guys. NFT is the future. Let's go. Danjo Capital, #1 in the world.